So, I just moved into my new place, and I'm gonna give you guys a tour. Let's go. What's up, guys? What's going on, crew? You already know what it is. It's your boy Tolu, and today we're going to be doing an apartment tour. I want to give you guys an introduction to my new place. At the same time, I just moved in a week ago, so it's been a tornado storm of a lot of things going on. Moving, getting pieces for the place, getting groceries, getting rid of things. So change is good. At the same time, I want to show you guys what's going on here in this place and why I chose this space. And it's gonna be great because there's tons of space where I can give you guys a lot of video content when it comes down to styles, looks, and fashion reviews. And also, we talk about health too from time to time, but that's why I got the shake. I haven't been to the gym and it's been really, really cold out, but nevertheless, I'll do some push-ups here, get a little workout in, but also I'm gonna show you guys this place. So let's do that. Basically, I wanted to give you guys a full apartment tour. Unfortunately, I couldn't do it just due to time, and you know how it is when you have to move. So that being said, I'll show you guys some B-roll of the empty space so you guys can just see what it looks like right now. And it's pretty clear, it's pretty nice. I like this space. I'll show you guys around right now, so check this out. So we'll start at the entrance. Don't mind the clutter, I'm giving this stuff away, but this is the hallway right here. It's a nice clear hallway right towards the window over there. So as you keep going, we do have closets here. This closet is just more or less like my clothing, my jackets and stuff, my outerwear, and my shoes. So I got my jackets, as you guys seen in videos. Shoes are down here. It's a clutter, but that's real though. Barber equipment, I'll be speaking about that, you know, some essentials when it comes down to hardware. This is another closet right here. This pretty much carries like all my clothes. It's literally a disaster. It's like just a disaster, but I'm gonna declutter that. This space right here is the washroom. As you guys can see, pretty clear washroom. Yada yada yada, toiletries, whatever you want. So that's pretty basic. I guess you look into the mirror here, you can see some other things. Colognes that I use currently, right here, Speed Stick, deodorants. This side, beard wash, face wash, some beard oils as well. Hand wash soap, you know the gist in the bob, you know. This side, you know, I got some toiletries that I'm currently using. So as you guys can see, I'll show you the Groomed Man. I got Old Spice, and that's the Groomed Man as well, body scrub. So shout out to my boy out in Australia. So right here is pretty much my equipment section of the place. So I'm gonna organize this a little bit, but you just see this. It's all basically everything you see production-wise is gonna be right here. All the equipment that I stored up over a few years, but at the same time, I upgraded some equipment as well. This is so you guys can help you guys out on your own journey within YouTube, or if you're trying to pursue this or you want to pursue this as well. Right here, beautiful empty space. I got a big mirror, got some plants. Plants help reduce stress and anxiety. So, you know, we all go through something like that. One of the biggest reasons why I'm renting this place out is because of the space, because I want to produce better videos for you guys. I want to show you guys, I want to show you guys how to style for the season you're in. And I want to give you guys updates on gear and footwear that I'm currently using. And yeah, I didn't tell you guys, but I got a balcony, a really long balcony here. It's mad cold out right now, but and keep in mind, guys, I'm not the type of guy to flaunt. I don't like flaunting, like posting pictures and stuff like that, but I want to show you guys this. For anyone out there who is going to progress and wants to progress and get the first apartment, like I am. This is literally my first apartment. The previous video where I did do a blog, I was living in a basement suite, so I came up from basement suites most of my life, but now it's my first time having an apartment like this, so it is a blessing at the same time. And I gotta smell the flowers of this, and I want to show you guys and share with you guys that one, it can be done. Two, keep pursuing what you want to pursue, because it's going to grow into something else. Because just to give you guys a little briefing and show you guys the progress of this, 5 years ago I was on YouTube and I was on there for about 1 year. I took a break for 2 years, not knowing what I wanted to do, and then 2 years later I dedicated my time when the world went on lock, and I said, you know what, this is what I want to do, and I want to go all in and create a vision towards what I want to achieve. And through that process, I remember talking about in one of my old videos where I was like, one day I can show you guys the pieces and clothing that I'm actually gonna buy, and instead of showing you guys reference pictures, now I'm in that position to actually buy the clothing, and that's just a blessing in disguise, just to see the progress from literally that 1 year or 2 year mark to now. It's phenomenal. So progress is happening, and production is getting bigger, and the vision is gonna come through. So, but right here, as you guys can see, just a little bookshelf of things that keep me sane. You know, you got a picture of Muhammad Ali up there, one of my biggest idols, inspirations. You guys know I talked about the candles before. So I'm currently reading is the Steve Jobs book right here, and there's actually another book down here. I want to learn Espanol. You know, I got the Office full box set. Got some stuff right here from Uniqlo that's gonna be really good for the spring and summer. Got this standing desk from my boy Chris. So shout out to Chris, because he's a G. I'm 6 foot, and literally this kind of goes up just below my pectoris right here, so it's a good size for me even just to work if I was gonna stand. Most of the time I'll be dropping it down. If any of you guys are out there and you guys want to learn code, or you're interested in learning code, and you guys speak French, and he also speaks English as well, but you can check out his Twitch channel. I'll post everything right here so you guys can see. He does live streams, teaches a group of people around the world. It's amazing, and I definitely support my brother. At the same time, check it out if you want to learn code. He's the guy to go to. Classes, tell him I sent you, and level up, literally level up. This is the kitchen right here. It's a bit of a mess, but that's real though, right? Right here, that pretty much documents, I don't want you guys to see that, but that pretty much documents what I'm gonna be creating for you guys video-wise, how to style certain things, and just video inspirations that I come by. So this is the apartment tour, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Just to give you guys a little 360 of the area. Right now it's like 5 p.m. so the light's still out. Natural sunlight is always the best. All in all, guys, man, thank you guys for supporting. So I just started thinking about some new ideas, and let me know what you actually think about this. I want to do the apartment tour, check, that we just did that. After that, I want to give you guys an update over time so I can show you guys what I changed about the place and things I added. And I was thinking about doing some essentials, if that is helpful for any of you guys out there, so you guys can see the things I picked up, and then you guys can see the price points and pretty much buy something that's similar if it's in your price range. So yet again, let me know if that's something you guys want to see. Apartment essentials, personal essentials. I have so many ideas, but I'm only limited to my own perspective. So if you guys have any comments, if you guys have any suggestions, definitely put in the comment section down below. And I also want to say, first and foremost, thank you guys for supporting. Thank you guys for subscribing to the channel, dropping comments down below, engaging in the community, and it's only going to grow and get bigger from here. So thank you guys for supporting Arccway, and we'll see you guys in the next. Peace out, crew.